Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Ishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nowadays my topic is Google Analytics and Google Data Studio. Let's go start. Description: this webinar introduces the basics of Google Analytics from getting started and understanding how it works so you can get your website running with the powerful tools offered through Google Analytics. This webinar highlights the importance of using it for tracking of your website or marketing campaigns so you can make better informed decision, understand your user, and use that data to provide a better digital experience. We will also explore how you can incorporate Google Data Studio with your analytics for amazing interactive reports that are sure to impress any board meeting. Resource: get certificate. It's free periodic table of Google Analytics, case study, learning of Google Analytics, digital analytics, question, behavior, outcomes. What are we doing to attract traffic to the website? Behavior: what happened after they land on the website? What was impact on your business online and offline? Focus on the complete journey. Tracking code: easy to implement and install JavaScript, add it to each page you want to track our use of plugin, WordPress, Drupal, MailChimp, Web Focus Analytic Toolkit, tracking ID status, track visitor activity. The idea of a tracking code is it allows you to understand where your user came from, how long they stay on the site, and some basic information about them. Each time a visitor arrives at your website, it is called a session, and after 30 minutes of inactivity, depending on the integration when using a plugin, you can track other type of the data like how user flow through our checkout process, errors they run into. You can filter the data you receive. For example, filter out traffic from employees who visit the site while at work. Thank you so much.